Hey everybody! Welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes here on More with E Mondays. It's your girl E Twanda, and I have another quick and easy recipe that's made with the Nama juicer. I know, another one on the Nama juicer, but this does just about everything. So let's check it out. So today I will be showing you how to make your very own almond milk. Yes, that's right. No more buying it from the store. You can make your very own, and it's easy to do. It's so healthy, smooth, and tasty. So let me stop talking. Let's get right to it. So you'll need a few ingredients, and that will be 1 cup of raw almonds, which you will need to soak in water overnight. Now this softens them up so that it will be easier to juice. Then 2 cups of water. And lastly, I use vanilla extract to sweeten it up, but that's optional. You can also use agave if you would like. Now, I know not everyone has a Nama juicer, but there's an alternative that you can use. Now, if you have a blender, you will need a cheesecloth to strain the juice, and I'll have that in the description down below. So, we will take a handful of almonds and place them inside of the juicer, then add some water in after. You will continue to alternate until all of the ingredients are completely gone. Next, we will let the juicer mix the ingredients together thoroughly. And then lastly, add as much of vanilla extract as you would like to sweeten it up a bit. And there you have it, your very own almond milk. Now see, wasn't that easy? And you didn't have to do much. The juicer does it all for you. Now, you can make some smoothies, eat cereal, or just simply drink it by itself. It's all good. I can't wait for you to try it out yourself. And again, thanks for watching. So for more recipes like this one, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram at Real Vegan Vibes and my personal page at More with E, so you can catch me next week here on More with E Mondays on Vegan Vibes. It's your girl E Twanda. I'm out.